Hello friends, Mrs. Walt here with your daily phonics lesson. First thing I want you to do is grab a piece of paper or a dry erase board, okay? Because you're going to do some writing today and you're going to do some work. All right, so if you don't have it, I'm going to give you to the count of 10 to go get your paper and pencil ready to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and you should be ready to go. All right, so you'll notice I've written the 5 vowels of the alphabet on my board, and I just want to spend just a quick moment going over the vowel sounds. Remember when they say they're short vowel sounds, it's going to say ah, like an alligator, e, like an edge, I, like an itchy, o, like an octopus with all those arms, and u, like an up. And when they say their long vowel sound, of course, they're just going to say their name. A, like an able. E, like an eagle. I, like an ice cream. O, like an ocean. And U, like an uniform. Okay? All right, so today you're going to be writing down some words. So copy this down now. And we're going to start here with these 3 words. Hold up a little bit so you can see it better. All right, your job is to divide these words. You're going to draw a dividing line. Where do you think we're going to separate these syllable types? So I'll give you a moment, and then we're going to go over it. Try not to rush anybody. So I hope you're thinking, look for the vowels, find the consonants, draw your syllable line. Where would we divide? Because I'm going to tell you, all 3 of these words are 2-syllable words. Ready? Okay. So let's look at that first one. Where did you divide it? You had 2 choices, right? Let's go this way. That one was tricky. You really could have gone either place there. What do you think it is? If you said Vabon, very good, Vabon. Vowel team, closed syllable, long sound, ve, short sound, bon, Vabon. Okay, very good. Ready? Where did you divide it? Yeah, there's only one logical place to divide it, and you should have drawn a line between the T and the M, because that's definitely not a blend. We see closed syllable here, that vowel, followed by a consonant, and a vowel team here. So remember that's going to say A. So say it with me. Gret may. Pat yourself on the back if you did that. Gret may. All right. Very good. I hope you said to yourself, definitely between the T and the P. Vowel team, so we have O. When O and A go walking, the O usually does the talking, O. Closed syllable, so we know E is going to say it short vowel sound, eh. So, sot, pet. Give yourself marks if you got them all correct. Okay, ready? All right, our next 3. And this should be, you should be writing these down quickly. It's not a handwriting contest, so do it quickly. Okay. Trying to fix this so you can see it. All right, give you a minute. Now, when you become really good at this, you just do this in your brain without even having to use a pencil or a marker or anything like that. So I'm already in my brain reading these words, even though they're crazy. So let's look at that first one. Got a couple choices, but I'm pretty sure with a silent E, I'm going to include that consonant with it. So I'm going to divide it here. Now we have a open syllable, vowel, followed by nothing. Open, so it's going to say long vowel, he. Silent E syllable. The vowel's going to say its long vowel sound. The E tells the vowel, say your name. So let's say it. He, Jame, he, Jame, he, Jame. Crazy. Give yourself a check mark if you got it right. All right, this next one, your brain should be thinking, oh, you're not going to trick me on this one, Mrs. Walt, because I know the rule. If the consonants are the same, which they are in this case, I'm going to split them right down the middle. Closed syllable, open syllable. So we've got a raf, open syllable, o, raffo, raffo, raffo. Very good. But I hope you're thinking to yourself, oh, I'm getting really good at this. Reading is going to be my superpower. All right, you ready? All right, I hope you were thinking, I see that silent E on the end. So I'm going to go and divide it in front. So I give that consonant with that silent E syllable. So this becomes, say it with me, grow team, grow team, grow team. Sounds like go team, grow team. Okay. Ready for some more? All right. Let's see. Let me pick some hard ones. This one looks a little challenging. Can you see my eyes? Let's see. And one more. Let's go with all right, get them written down. That first one. Well, the first thing that jumps out at me, of course, are the vowels. And I've got a oi. And I've got a I. So I could do this a really couple ways. It's really going to sound the same whether I divide it here or here. Listen to this and tell me if you really hear a difference. Doi, nish, or doin-ish. Doinish or doi-nish. Doinish. Doesn't really sound a whole lot different. But the important thing is you recognize there are two syllables. Doinish. Doinish. Okay? Now hopefully you're looking at your vowels, finding the consonants in the middle, and knowing, well, I see a blend, so I know I'm not going to separate the S and the T. So I know B and S is not a blend. This is the only logical place to put it. And this looks like a tab, steep, tab, steep. Okay, ready? Finding those vowels. Vowel team. Hope you were thinking this. Closed syllable. Yeah. Only place to do that because M and N definitely not a blend. So what do we have here? We have a fame nest, crazy. Alrighty, one last set. And then you'll be done with having to listen to me talk about phonics today. Well, some of you anyhow. All right, let's see. This one's an interesting one. Okay. Sorry, my lighting here in my basement's not very good. Ready? Give you a minute to get these copied down. All right. Okay, you're right. Vowel team. Vowel team. Oi. Split it down the middle. Very good. Think to yourself, how do we read this? If you said Wayne Moy, pat yourself on the back. Go you. All right, next one. Oh. Vowel team. I recognize a word here. Separate it down the middle. Vol, dad, Sounds like it rhymes with a crawdad, Voldad. Okay, ready? All right, last one. You got this. Come on. All right. Vowels. Recognize silent E syllable there. So I'm going to look in the middle here. Now this one could be tricky. This one could really be a couple different ways. So I'm going to try it this way first. K-Stein. Or Castine. That one really could be a couple different ways. This is why good readers, when you come to a word you don't know, you have to sound it out different ways. And hopefully it's going to ring a bell. Ding, ding, ding. I've heard that word before. And you're going to know which way it is. When we read, we can't be lazy. We have to attack those words with those strategies that we've been learning, okay? All right, so how did you do today? Did you do great? I hope so. If not, we're going to keep practicing until you are going to be the master of 95%. I guarantee you, okay? Everybody have a super terrific day, and I will see you later.